everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Jeffy if you're new here, and I post weekly videos on anything bookish related, life related, mommy related, toddler related, beauty related, can be anything basically. But today I'm going to be talking about a Christmas gift that I got from my sister, and as you can tell by the title, it has a lot to do with coffee. So let's get into it. So basically, my sister for Christmas got me a coffee machine. We've been talking about coffee for a long while, and when I'm at my sister's shop, there's Costa Coffee down the road, which actually has just closed, which is so sad. And we've been saying to each other that we need to get a coffee machine for the shop, but also we do think making coffee at home is obviously feasible, cheaper, and I just kept on saying that we need to get a coffee machine. And truth be told, for Christmas, I opened a gift that was not supposed to happen. We did say that we weren't going to be doing any gifts, and I got a coffee machine from my sister. I got, as I'm going to show on the screen, I got the Nespresso Vertuo in the rose gold. Is it the Vertuo Next? It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous machine. It's rose gold with a bit of brown. They do have a couple of colors. They've got the white top. There's one that's matte black, which is gorgeous. I would have got the matte black if the rose gold was not available. I tend to like anything with gold or rose gold. It's got that kind of classy to it. And I'm here to show you guys what I got from my sister, but also what we got at the shop. So we did go to the shop, I think it was about 2 days after, and we did some damage as well. So without further ado, let's just get into the whole haul, because you gotta see what I got. You saw the machine. Next to it was this, which is basically an espresso bin. This is the bin where you can put all the pods, and it's just easy and handy to have. I've actually already popped in the recycle bag that they give you. So basically you will get these recycle bags, which basically you fill to this part here, and then you can go pop into the store and get them recycled, which is great. I do love those things. I was on TikTok and I did some of my research before going to the shop, and the guy there was so impressed with me. I felt so good that in a couple of days I did my research, and they kept talking about how many things are important and the recycle bags, but I wasn't sure if they did the recycling here in Malta, and I was so happy to know that they did. The maximum, as I'm seeing on here, is 200 capsules in one of these recycle boxes. So basically what you do after you finish from your Nespresso machine, you just pop all your recycled pods in here and just take them to the store once you're done, and you can get them recycled. This was about 25 euros approximately, if I'm not mistaken. Inexpensive, and you can fit a lot. It's just easy to put them into this little pouch right straight away, and it's still empty because I'm still recycling them in the machine. I should be recycling them before we go away, because we are going away to England in a couple of days for my birthday, and taking up Riley as well, which is really exciting. So with the machine, you do get 100 free pods when you buy a machine. Now when my sister bought mine, they didn't have the mixed box with the pods. Instead, they gave her boxes. Now we counted that we were given 9 packs of the boxes instead of 10 as the 300, because we did count them and we noticed that there were less. So I'm going to show you those first and then go into the rest of the haul. So first things first, I'm going to get them out. Okay, so the first one is Ice Forte. This is part of their ice range. Again, I already have iced coffees, and she did make sure to get me iced ones, which is great. There's another iced one, which is this one, which is Ice Lagero Pumpkin Spice cake. I actually have to halve this with my sister because I don't think I'll be able to get through these, because one time I tried Starbucks pumpkin spice, I wasn't too much of a fan, but then again it wasn't iced. Again, I only drink iced coffees, so I'm definitely eager to try the pumpkin spice cake and see what I think about it. I'm not sure if this is focusing. Voltezo Bianco Forte. This was a summer one, and it's juicy watermelon over ice. Very excited to try this one. I've seen people over on TikTok and YouTube use this, and it's interesting to see what this is going to taste like. This one is opened because I have to try this one because I'm a fan of coconut and I always use coconut milk. And this one is tropical coconut flavor over ice. It's good, it's great. Definitely recommend coconut milk with this to give it more coconutty, and also it's just really good. And lastly, Inicio. This was the first coffee that I tried with the coffee machine and I really liked it. Again, the power of this is about like up to 4. I'm not sure how many, like what the strongest bar is. The strongest bar is 11. This is the range of 4. What I like about the coffees actually, they come in different sizes. So there's espresso, which is like 80ml, double espresso is 150ml, and then there's like the big cups, which is like 230. We did find one that was quite big, but I'm not sure which one it was. But then again, those ones came with my machine. She only gave me 2 at first, and then she was going to give me the rest back for my birthday, but I kind of budgeted it when we went to the store. It was just too funny. But then we went to the store and we actually got some freebies with Sarah's machine. Sarah did actually get a white one, and she got given a big box full of pods, and we just decided to half everything. So we halved her pods, and I actually have to open up all these ones and half them with her as well. We have a lot of coffee to go through, but we just wanted to like just half them and enjoy them that way. So let me just share with you a couple of that came in Sarah's hundreds. There was this one, which is Audacio, not sure how that is pronounced. This one was really good. I tried this one today. This is hazelnut muffin. We have is it Stormio? I'm not sure if I said Melioso. I think I did get this one in one of the full packs. This one doesn't have a name on it, but we did manage to find it as something custard pie or custard cake. Let me just see which ones I did show you. This one has 4 milk, and it is Bianco Forte. I'm not sure if I've got this one. I think I do. So I do have a couple more of those, which I need to share with my sister. My sister actually bought a pack of golden caramel, which I got half of. She did actually get some gingerbread, and I only asked for 2 because gingerbread is not my favorite. So I just want to have 2 just to try it out over ice and see if I like it or not. But I actually did get the descaling. So I did get the descaling pack, and they do recommend to do this after, I think, is it after a couple, not sure if it's after 3 months if you're using it every day, or like 200 pods, 300 pods. It was only €10, and I just want to have one in my vicinity, in my packs, because I just think it's just good to have. And yeah, I did ask for one of the tumblers that was limited edition for Christmas. They did order it but never arrived, and it's just a really good cool nomad over ice, nomad cup, but it was for iced coffees, and it was in this really nice mint green. So it didn't never arrived here, but in the UK they have it, so I hope you can be able to go and grab it. But that's another thing which I really wish to get, but I'm going to try and see if I can get it in England because it is on sale at the moment in the UK. I did pick up this one, which is a festive scent, which is frosted caramel nuts. This is amazing. So imagine caramel, and then the aftertaste is nuts. And we halved this, me and my sister, and I did go back and get another pack because I needed 10 pods of this because I already had it twice. And it was just so good, so great. I just love the aftertaste, and when I like something, I know it's limited edition, I want to make sure I have more of. So I actually have to open that and give her a half. And I really wanted to film this video so I can actually open up all the rest of the capsules and see which ones I need to give my sister. So that is basically my Nespresso haul, and I'm very excited to have these here. It just makes life easy to try different types of coffee. I constantly just have the Costa Coffee granules that I got from the UK, and just make my own iced coffee every day. But now I just have the choice of having something different every day, trying out a different like aftertaste, taste, and I'm very excited for this journey. Like I I'm so excited for this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a homey haul. I hope you guys like those kind of videos. I'm trying to do different types of videos on my channel, so if you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you hadn't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.